Hey, so welcome, Fruit Gang. It's been a while, so sorry about that. But I wanted to show some great purchases that I made on sale at CVS. This is the second week of February 2018. Arm& Hammer detergent at $1.99 on sale. Plus, I had a dollar coupon. I had extra coupons because my mother is awesome and shares her coupons with me. So these three I got for a total of $3. Stocking up, I think it's pretty good. It's so cheap. I might try to find some more and give them away to charity. But hey, once again, it pays to look at coupons, and if you can combine a coupon plus a sale, a really good sale, a loss leader, go for it. Please let me know how you guys are doing. How are your sales on eBay? My sales are going pretty well. I've been kind of busy over the holidays, of course, taking a break. But things are still selling, and I'm trying to post one thing on eBay every single day for this next month. So look me up and try to follow me if you can. Thank you very much. Subscribe and keep it frugal.